oil on my skin. It's not actually showing like that. Let's go. So first of all, we rub oil. Oh, I did not shake it. Yeah. I don't have to mess this cloth up, and I'm going outside with it. Green, white, green. This is not the green I needed, but that was once lazy. Also, there will be no video tomorrow because I'm traveling tomorrow. I'm going to my country, Nigeria, tomorrow for just short trip, business trip. So, if you're in Nigeria, hit me up. So, 1, 2. My body now has adapted to not eating. I have nothing since yesterday, and it's not good because when I lose weight, I'm not gonna look good. My back will disappear. My face will be looking sick. So I don't think this weight loss journey will be going. But at least I'm not looking bad. My stomach has gone inside. I miss this. We don't have that big one here anymore. Okay, let's clap. Let's see if we can clap with this drum. Ah! It's not working. It's not clapping, guys. Ah! It is hard work. Whoosh. Let me. Hi. Let me try again. I don't think we can do. No. It's not working. Let me observe the oil from my stomach. Oh God, look at that. And I'm going with this cream. You see? The oil has turned it top. I think I'm gonna change. Let me show you guys how I was planning to go. I'm wearing these sandals. Yeah. Have this. Let me get this one done. See. But now I have to change this one. Because I cannot go with this oil. So I just get my hand on it. I'm gonna pull it. I'll do something else. Something light. Let me go and look for it. I'll show you guys. Let me wear this. Watch me wear it. First, do like this. And then. Okay, let me see if my cloth can cover me. And I will remove it. Ooh, it's not working. Yeah. Yeah. Ready to go? It's just nail and the place is on fire, that's all. And see you guys. See you tomorrow. I have so much I'm doing. Should I tell you guys what I did today? I woke up, I made soup. Let me show you. I prepared this morning. Can you guys see? 1, 2, 3. After that, I am making peanuts, I am making meat pie, and I am making my nails. So I have a very busy day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.